A new law seeks to prevent sexual abuse in Colorado jails. It's an issue that's all too familiar for Suzanne Garcia.
I was arrested for a violation of a restraining order and I was taken into custody. I was booked into the La Plata County Jail. I was strip searched and it seemed very intrusive.
Last August, charges were brought against the La Plata County Jail Commander Edward Aber, accused of looking at 117 women's strip searches and watching the videos more than 3,000 times.
And then I was informed, not by the district attorney's office, but by the Durango Herald, that I was one of the victims. It's been extremely emotional and it's terrifying, to think that this can happen to people, men and women, all across the state. And so that's what led us to reach out to our state legislators.
Garcia and fellow survivors worked with lawmakers and advocates like Elizabeth Newman with the Colorado Coalition Against Sexual Assault to change Colorado's law to put protections in place.
As much as this bill seems really common sense, it's a huge victory and it took a lot of work. It really is a testament to the effort of the survivors who shared their stories and demanded this change.
Newman says the bill regulates strip searches, including how and when they can be performed, as well as who can access those videos. It also ensures staff and those in jail know their rights, and ensures anyone found to have abused inmates can't continue working in positions of power.
And all people, whether they've been sentenced to jail time or not, deserve to be protected from sexual abuse.
Governor Jared Polis recently signed the bill into law.
I cried and I was so happy.
Garcia hopes this new law helps ensure what happened to her and the other women in the La Plata County Jail doesn't happen again.
We are all struggling, but the way we're surviving is by taking action in our communities and impacting legislation to benefit our entire state.
The county sheriffs of Colorado had raised some concerns with the bill initially, but their executive director stressed to me that they supported the bill's intent. They say they worked with lawmakers and advocates to ensure that the new requirements were workable for facilities of all sizes around the state. CSOC says agencies are committed to complying, but it will create added costs and workload for counties. But they believe it will help make them more accountable and transparent. Now, as for Aber's criminal trial in La Plata County, that's expected to begin in November. Rachel Kraus, 9 News.